Much thanks for you to have come to attend this presentation. Today you have prepared for you the presentation. We, ABASAMANDARI performance students graduates at the University of Burundi, we prepared for you a theater show called The Merchant of Venice, written by Shakespeare. In this presentation, we are going to see the main characters, Shylock and Antonio, who will be in conflict where Shylock will have lent ducats, money, Antonio, and Antonio will be unable to pay at the time, and then Shylock will want to have the part of flesh at his body, and then we will look at how the justice will be. In this presentation, we will especially see how justice is done in society. Welcome, and we need your attention. And apart from that, we have this small basket for you to support us if you are able. Welcome, and thank you again to have come.
You say, where is you, and how you cooked it, found it, or came by it? What stuff this well? What if it is born? I am. And such a one with certain aspects of me that I have much ado to know myself.
Your mind is tossing on the ocean. There, where your anxious report yourself, like seniors and beggars on the flood. All I see were two patients from the sea. They appear, the tea trap gathered here to them. The devil liberates as they fry by them with their opponents.
Believe me, sir. Had I such ventured forth, the better part of my affection would be with my hopes abroad. I should be packing the grass to know where's the wind, peering in the mouths of both peers and wrongs, and every object that might make me feel misfortune to my ventures. After will make me sad.
My winged colleague, my bro, would blow on me to an ague when I thought what hammering too great might do. I see. I should not see the sun of grass alone, but I should think of shallow on the flat and see my world way to dug deep in sand, fearing hell high top Lord and her ribs to kiss irabereye. Should I go to church and see the holy edifice of stone, and not bethink me straight for the dangerous flocks, which touching but my gentle vessel side would scatter all express the stream. Love the roaring waters with my silks, and now worried, but even now what this, and now what nothing. Shall I have the thought to think on this, or shall I have the thought that such a thing be changed would make me sad? But tell not me. I know Antonio is such a think upon its merchandise.
Believe me, no. I thank my fortune for it. My ventures are not in one bottom trusted, not to one place, nor is my whole estate upon the fortune of this present year. Therefore, my merchandise makes me not sad.
Why, that right? Just enough matters. Then let us say that you are sad because you are not married. That's where is you going to irabereye? I say that you are married because you are not sad. Now, by two heterogeneous, nature had framed strange period at a time. Some that they ever more people their eyes in the way of smiling. And the other of such beautiful aspect that they not show. They did. That way of smiling. Then it's so sad. Just be there for cool. Yeah. Here now. Comes Bassanio. You must know about his man. Hey, Graciano and Lorenzo.
I would have stayed till I made you marry. If you were the friend and not preventing you.
Your wife is very dear in my regard. I take it your own business calls on you and you embrace the occasion to depart.
Good morrow, my good lords.
Good seniors both. When shall we laugh? You grow exceeding strange. Must it be so?
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, yours.
My Lord Pastor, we are just to find Anthony. We do believe at dinner time. I tell you, having Manuel must be. Oh, I will not fail you.
You look not well, Senor Antonio. You have too much respect upon the world. They lose start to bite with much care. Believe me, you are marvelously changed.
Upon the world and as the world, Christian. A stage where every man must play a part, and mine a said one.
Let me praise the fool with mirth and laughter. Let the drinkers come, and let my river hit with wine, then my heart will modify crops. Why should the man whose blood is warm of it sit like his wings are cut in a lapis and slip into a trance by being peevish? I tell you what I told you. I rose and his man out of space. There are sort of men whose visages do bring and the mental life standing upon and do a willful stillness entertain with purpose to interest in the opinion of wisdom, gravity and a profound conceit, as you should say, I must say oracle, and when I open my lips, let not talk back. Oh my Antonio. I don't know of this, that therefore only reproach the wise for saying nothing. And when I was very sure if they should speak, would almost damn those young, which hearing them would be called the brothers fools. I will tell you more of this another time, but fish not with this melancholy bait. For this fool get on this opinion. Come go, Lorenzo. Very well, wife. I will add my exhortation after dinner.
Well, we leave you late till that dinner time. I must be one of the same damn wise men from Graciano, the Vatican.
What? Keep me company. What? 2 years more, thou shalt not know the sound of thy own tongue.
Farewell. I'll go talk about this game.
Such safe for silence is only commendable lips. Tongue tried and the man not
More than any man in all Venice. His reasons are 2 grains of wheat and 2 bushels of chaff. You shall seek all day ere you find them, but when you have them, they are not worth the search.
Well, tell me now. What lady is the same to whom you saw a secret pilgrim that you today promised me to tell her?
It is not unknown to you, Antonio. How much I have disabled my estate by something shows more so in part than my faith means great continuance. Nor do I not make more to be a priest from such noble race, but my chief care is to come very off from the great depths wherein my time something too prodigal have left me engaged. To you, Antonio, I owe you the most in money and in love. And from your love, I have a warranty to any better than my applause and the purposes. How to get clear of all the depths. Oh.
I pray you, my son, let me know. And if this turn is you yourself still do within the eye of follow, be assured, my pace, my person, my extremist means lack or unlock to your occasions.
In my school days, when I had lost one shaft, I shot this fellow. To steps and flight, to steps and way, with more advanced watch to find the fourth, and by advancing the fourth, I will find the I urge this childhood to prove because what follows is a choice. I owe you much. Lack only for you for that which I also lost, but if you please to shoot another arrow, that same way which you did shoot the first, I do not doubt. As I watch the aim, or to find out above, or bring your entire back in. And thankfully rest depth for the first.
You know me well, and here is spend my time to warn about my love with circumstance. And out of doubt, you do me no more wrong in making question of my uttermost than if you had made a worst of all I have. Do by saying to me what I should do, that in your mind may by me be done, and I proceed to it. Therefore speak.
It's a lady, and she left. And she is fair, and fairer than that word of wondrous virtues. Sometimes from her eyes I did receive her speechless messages. Her name is Portia. Nothing can the value to get us not a Brutus Portia, nor is the wide world ignorant of our way, for the four winds blow on every coast, renowned the streeters. And her sunny locks hang on her temple a golden fleece, which makes her seat of Belmont Calicor's reign. And many just sons come in worst of her. Oh, my Antonio. And I by the means to hold a rival place with one of them. I have of mind presages me such threat that should questionless be fortunate. Yes.
Thou knowest that my fortunes are at sea, neither have I money nor commodity to raise a present sum. Therefore, go forth, try what my credit can in Venice do, and thou shalt be ranked, even to the uttermost to furnish thee to Belmont, to fair Portia. Go presently inquire, and so will I, what money is. I no question make to have it of my trust or for my sake.
Okay, thank you.
$3,000.
Hey, sir, for 3 months.
Well, for 3 months. Well,
As I've told you, Antonio shall be bound.
Antonio is to be bound.
Yes.
Well,
Will you please admit? May you state the, shall I know your answer?
Antonio is a good man.
Have you had any suggestion to the contrary?
No. My meaning in saying he is a good man is to have you understand me that he is sufficient.
Yes.
Yet he has a legacy bound to Tripolis, another to the Indies. I understand moreover upon the Rialto. He has the third at Mexico, the fourth for England, and other ventures he has squandered abroad. But both are ships. Sailors but men. There be land rats and water rats, land thieves and water thieves. I mean pirates. And there is the peril of waters, winds and rocks. $3,000. The man is not withstanding sufficient. I think I may take his bond.
Be assured you may.
I will be assured that I may be assured. I will be thinking. May I speak with Antonia?
Oh yes, if it pleases you to dine with us.
To smell pork, to eat of the habitation which your prophet the Nazareth conjured the devil into. will buy with you, talk with you, serve with you, walk with you, and so forth, but I will not eat with you, drink with you, nor pray with you. One news in Rialto. Who is he comes here?
This is Senor Antonio.